and 291.804, and we have to subtract from that 5.9, so let's just line up these decimal points. Okay, if we do that, we'll get everything into the right place values. So the 9 goes straight after the decimal point on the right, and the 5 goes right before the decimal point on the left. Now, that's it. Now, it looks weird, but that's okay, because we have each of our digits in the correct place value, plus we have a decimal point all lined up. And so, now we're ready to solve. 4 minus, well, there's a 0 there, right? So that's a 4. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 9, that's a problem, so we borrow from the place value immediately to the left, and so we take that down to 0, and that 1 goes there. So it's now 18 minus 9, and that's 9. We're up to the decimal point, okay, so that just goes straight down there as well. Zero minus 5, that's a problem, so we go to the next place value over, and we subtract 1, so that makes it 8, and the 1 we take away we put here, so now it's 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 0, what's that? 8, and 2 minus 0, that's 2. And this is the final solution.